2 weeks ago, Siyacela had betrayed his better half, Thando. Thando just discovered that Siyacela has been cheating and wants to word his side chick, Mato. Thando does not know that the side chick is pregnant. Thando went home to visit her mother. She said that she does not love Siyacela anymore. She is simply going to hold on until she completes her high school. Siyacela proposes to Mato, who is the side chick. So Siyacela goes out on a date with Mato. It did not take too long before we realized that Siyacela was being romantic, because he was actually planning something. He proposed to Mato and asked her to become his wife. He firstly took out a necklace as a surprise, and then secondly, he bowed down and he got on his knees and proposed and gave Mato an engagement ring. In my opinion, in my thoughts, I think Thando should just cut her losses and leave. She is too young. She's 18 years old. She is too young to be facing such. Siyacela is inconsiderate of Thando's state at this moment, because she has to write exams and she has to deal with all of this while her husband is taking another wife, which will also affect her grades. And Siyacela should have just waited another time before overwhelming Thando with such news or such burden. The whole of South Africa is watching her. How is she going to cope at school? Siyacela just chose the most inconvenient time, because he does not understand that exams need a particular level of respect. Siyacela loves Thando, that's what I think, but he is acting up and doing all of this because he's scared that Thando, once she goes to tertiary, she will leave him at some point in life once Thando is independent. I don't feel that Siyacela is in the right state to want to take a second wife. One, Siyacela is a dropout. Two, Siyacela is only 18 years old. What does he know about polygamy? Yes, his father is in a polygamous marriage, but three, Siyacela is not working. Siyacela is not working. All these cars that he is buying and the lifestyle that he is able to maintain now, it is money received from the production that is shot from Isencane Lengane. Once this show ends, where is Siyacela gonna get money? Because the money that he received from his mother's passing is no longer there. Where is Siyacela gonna get money? Besides, Siyacela is very disrespectful. Who is going to hire him? Siyacela is still immature. The moment that he looks for a job, they're just going to look at his character. Nobody will want to hire him. So he's shooting himself in the foot, and this is going to end in tears, literally. Let me know what you think in the comment section about Siyacela's behavior or Siyacela's proposal to Mato.